try something very interesting. This is without a doubt my favorite part of this entire experience. Does everyone have a piece of index card and a pencil? We need everyone to get one of each. Excellent. Okay, will you guys help distribute all this stuff? We need to get this stuff out here lickety-split. And then I tell you what, if you don't have an index card, use the sheet of paper that you got. If you didn't get a sheet of paper, we're going to pass those back. We're going to try to get everyone. Just grab something, scratch paper to use. Go ahead and spread those out. What we're going to do an experiment here. We're going to do a memory test. All right? I'm going to show you a list of words. I'm going to show them, and I'm going to read them to you. Okay? And as soon as we're done, you're going to have 1 minute to write down as many of those words as you can possibly remember. All right? Now, don't cheat. Don't start. Keep an eye on your neighbor. Make sure they're not cheating. But we're going to write down as many of these as we can remember. We'll take about 10 more seconds for everyone to get some paper and everything ready. All right, here we go. The words are sour, nice, candy, honey, sugar, soda, bitter, chocolate, good, heart, taste, cake, tooth, tart, pie. You got 1 minute to write down as many of those as you can possibly remember. Many of you find that the first few will come easily, and then you'll hit a wall. When you hit that wall, don't give up. Close your eyes and try to remember, and you'll be able to remember 3 or 4 more words. It's important that you get as many as you possibly can. All right, time's up. How many guys think you did pretty good? A few guys? How many guys wish you had a second chance? Okay, well, I tell you what, we're going to grant your wish here. Flip your card over or find a new place on the scratch pad. I'm going to give you a totally different set of words. And by the way, we'll up the ante here, saying whoever gets the most correct will get both a trick deck of cards and the book of scams. All right, so we got a little incentive here. You want to get as many as you can. All right, the second set, don't cheat here. The words are mad, wrath, fear, happy, hate, fight, rage, hatred, temper, mean, fury, calm, ire, emotion, and rage. You got 1 minute. Remember what I said, some of the first ones will come easy. When you hit that wall, keep pushing. Don't give up. All right, time's up, time's up. All right, pencils down. Okay, how many guys think you did better on the second list than the first list? Good, because you knew what to expect, right? I tell you what, look at list number 1. Look at list number 1. Raise your hand if you got the word sweet on list number 1. Hands in the air. Look at almost all of you. Excellent. Now look at list number 2. Raise your hand if you got the word anger or angry on list number 2. Good, almost all of you again. If you raised your hand either time, you have experienced a false memory because neither of those words were on either of these 2 lists. Can you believe that? This was amazing to me because until I did this experiment, I was convinced, okay, maybe I don't remember everything, but surely the stuff I do remember did happen, right? It shocked me to find out that study after study has shown that there is 0 correlation between how sure you are that something happened and that memory actually being true. This blew my freaking mind when I found this out.